Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 coastal/nautical DIY at home decor ideas. And the great thing about these DIY ideas is that I am using Dollar Tree or dollar store items. So keep watching if you would like to see what I created. So for the first nautical DIY, I am creating this beautiful centerpiece, and I'm going to be using a glass cylinder that I got at my local dollar store. So if you're in Canada, it's called Dollarama. Dollar Tree sells something very similar, but unfortunately it is too narrow to fit the star shells. So for this DIY, you are going to need the starfish shells. You're going to need some of those decorative pebbles from the Dollar Tree, some shells, and you're going to need some floating candles. And there you have it, our nautical beachy centerpiece candle. It was really easy to make, and the items can be taken out and reused at any time. So for the next DIY, I got this paper ribbon from my dollar store, the starfish shells from the Dollar Tree, and then I also found this chicken wire at the Dollar Tree, and this was a while ago. And you're going to need a foam wreath as well. Now, once I've wrapped my ribbon around, I'm just going to attach the chicken wire. Now, you can skip this step if you would like, but I thought it gave it an extra nautical look, and also I could use it to hang post-it notes and pictures. Now, if you're planning to use the chicken wire, be very careful. Once it's cut, it can be very sharp. Now, to let my wreath hang, I'm just attaching a loop to the top of my wreath. So unfortunately, I lost some footage of me putting on the shells, but you're going to want to decorate your wreath with your starfish and your shells. Next, I found these clothespins at the Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of a few different colors, and I decided to use the turquoise. And then I am just going to show you that you can hang some Post-it notes, or you can use this as a picture frame, a hanging picture frame. So for our last DIY, we're going to be making this adorable coastal key holder. So you're going to need some seashells, some wooden letters, and I got mine from Dollarama. You're going to need a sign from the Dollar Tree. I got this during the fall. Then you're going to need this key sign, also found at the Dollar Tree. You can find it in the frames department. So first off, I'm just going to be sanding down the sign just so that when I spray paint it, the spray paint can adhere properly. I'm also going to tape down the area around the hooks because I'm going to be spray painting the hooks gold. I'm also going to be spray painting the hook at the top gold as well. So here is what the sign looks like with the gold hooks. Next, I'm going to be taping up the hooks at the bottom because I'm going to be spray painting the sign white. So as you can see, I spray painted the sign white. What you're going to want to do is go back into the key sign and paint the areas where spray paint can't get to. So next, what you're going to want to do is grab your sign, and I'm just removing the top layer. And then I'm going to be using this Martha Stewart chalk paint, and I'll link the actual name of the paint below. And I'm going to be using some white paint. So I wanted my sign to be a light seafoam green, so I'm just mixing some white paint with my chalk paint. For the sign, I used one coat. Next, I'll be using my wooden letters. However, for this DIY, you can use a Cricut if you have it, or you can hand paint your letters onto your sign. So next, I grabbed my wooden letters and I decided to paint it white. You don't want to use too much paint because I kind of wanted a white wash, so I'm just wiping off the excess white paint. Initially, I thought I wanted to do the word beach with the seashell in the middle. I did change my mind last minute, but to get the words nice and straight, I'm just using this ruler from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm just gluing the letters onto my sign with E6000. As you can see, I changed out the seashell for C. Next, I'm just securing the beach sign to my key sign with some E6000 and hot glue. To finish off the DIY, I decided to add some seashells to the bottom of my sign. And there you guys have it, this beautiful key holder. I think that it came out so well. You don't only have to put keys on here. You can use it as a jewelry holder as well by hanging your favorite necklaces off of it. I think it came out so well and I love the colors, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the alarm button, and please visit my blog at www.sincerelylymissj.com. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for the support of my videos, and I will see you at my next video. Thank you. Bye.